We are live, but I still want to get the link so I can send it to everyone. Okay, Kareem, what are we going to build here today?
Today we are building a very important form today for my startup.
So what's that form going to allow you to do?
Yeah, so pretty much in my startup, Adesia Catering, we pretty much allow event hosts to quickly find food trucks and other caterers for their events. But no one, like, people really expect that process to be instant. They don't really want to wait and wait a while. With this React app, you can make a form which pretty much ingests all the data that you need, a food truck owner would need to make a decision about your event. We'll do it, and the goal is to try to make the app responsive enough so depending on how the person answers it, it could be as short as possible or as detailed as possible, allowing you that flexibility.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm guessing you tried something like Typeform before, right?
Yeah, I think the problem with Typeform and what we're trying to do is that we have a whole database of food trucks, a whole app, a whole mobile app, and we really want that program ability to integrate with their app. We really don't need we have a form solution already.
Right. Yeah. You want to just plug it into your existing web app.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Well, maybe we can just sketch out. Maybe we can just start by sketching out what we're gonna put on. What's this? Get out of this. Dismiss.
We can also put my webpage too if you want to see what form we want to change.
Yeah, let's do that actually. OBS. Can't see the chat anymore.
Why don't you just open a new browser?
I will. I'm opening a new browser. Yeah, learning how to use that. I'm gonna open this in a new browser window, and I'm gonna put that here. Yeah, and also mute that. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, so we have that there. That's good. Okay, cool. So, oh yeah, I was gonna switch to. Here we go. And I'm gonna open up a new browser window. Okay. Here, show me your site. Okay, cool. And this website, how did you make it?
This is used using Squarespace.
Squarespace, okay. And where's the part where you want to add a new form?
Hit book now.
Book now.
And then this should launch the form.
Okay. This should launch the form.
Yes.
And so right now you have this long form. And you made it with Squarespace. And is all of this going to stay the same?
What does that mean, stay the same?
Like, is this going to be the same form that you want to create? Like the same items, the same fields?
Sort of, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, but with the React app, I can do some interesting stuff with it, such as like hide certain fields based off of responses.
Yeah.
Making it shorter or longer, whatever.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. But overall, you're gonna have in your form, you're gonna have text fields, radio boxes, drop down, dates, and email.
If we can do a location autocomplete, that'd be nuts.
Ooh, location. Okay, yeah. Because do you have a location?
Look how many fields that is. 1, 2, 3. It's really supposed to be 4, I think. It's 4 fields in reality.
By autocomplete, you mean geolocation?
Yeah.
Okay. You might not be able to get the exact address from that. You would just get the zip code probably.
No, I mean honestly, I have it auto completing on the app. I just probably need it.
Yeah.
If you put it in
But does that give you the address as well?
Yeah, it gives me everything.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
so the way Uber does it.
Yeah.
Just okay. So it's the closest address.
It just auto completes it for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then if you do Memphis, Tennessee, it'll just take a certain spot in Memphis.
Right.
GPS longitude latitude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but if we can get this ported over to React, I'm sure I can hack it from there.
Okay. That's gonna be
Yeah.
the start for today.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think about the feasibility of this?
This?
Yeah.
I'd say super doable. Can we do it in 40 minutes? No, that's gonna be the fun part.
All right.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to recommend that we're gonna use Gitwit for this because like I know it well, right? So, what I'm probably gonna say is we'll probably just go from the top, right?
What are you about to do? Yeah, walking through what's happening.
So I'm gonna say we're going to generate probably the first few fields first. And this is a text. What's this? Oh, that's just the title.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did you suggest we wireframe it out first?
I was going to, but we already have the.
No.
episodes.
I want to because this is a singular. Like I have a really good idea. I think you should break this off into 3 pages. Remember I told you about this, the whole 3-page concept.
Okay, yeah.
So I don't know what wireframing tool you were going to use, but a wireframing tool would be helpful. I can do it in like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Are you good with Figma?
No.
I'm not either. What if we?
I just need boxes and text.
Perfect.
I don't really need.
Perfect. Here we go.
Okay, like do like a 3 phone screens or 3 3 screens. We want 3 screens, and then first screen would be step 1, second screen would be step 2, and you know the third screen would be the last step of step 3. Okay. And then put like a text field or a box that says, okay, I'll let you do your thing.
It's fine. No, keep going.
Yeah, and it's gonna be like a text field and like enter email and a photo. So it'll be like photo, email, button. Next. So the first thing we want is to get somebody's email address.
Yeah.
Then we'll take them to step 2 and we'll ask them about the event.
Yeah.
Then step 3, I'm gonna charge them.
Perfect. How do you charge them?
I'm gonna use a Stripe link.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so what should I add here?
It should be a text field and a button that says next, right? Text field we're trying to get email.
Just the email first.
I really think it's just the email first.
Okay. Okay, so you have like email. This will be like a normal form.
Yeah.
There's a thing. And then we have next.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay.
All right.
Now.
Next one is we have to reference the webpage now because I'm not remember all this.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be like describe your event, right? It's gonna be like first one would be service needed.
Yeah.
That's the first question we're gonna ask.
Oh, so you don't want this one first?
Well, we're gonna do that one first. From user feedback, they said you should ask service needed first.
Can I just screenshot this and put it in? That one. Like this?
Yeah, put that in step 2 though.
All right. Okay.
And then go back to the food truck page. Then be the number of attendees.
Mm-hmm. Just this?
And then who's paying? Yeah.
Okay. There.
Okay. And then let's go back to the page. Then maybe describe your event.
Okay. Describe your event. That's first. Okay, we got this. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. So this would be fun. I would like to put more stuff in it. What do you think? I want to make it short. I want to convert users. I'd rather convert users. I'll put another step. I'll put a step 4 in it if I have to.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Just to make it.
Because for you want to save all the information.
Yeah.
Where do you want this information to get saved?
It's going to all go to Firebase.
It's all going to Firebase. Okay, so we're going to make the form, and then you're going to save it in. So you'll have like one ID that's getting passed along, and then all of this will just get updated in the row.
Yeah.
As they submit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
We're gonna do backend code too.
Not well, I don't think we get.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say yeah, man. If we just get a React one going, I would be very happy. You know how
This is gonna be beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. Should we do a step 4?
Yeah, actually, I'm getting excited for this.
Yeah, a step 4.
Well, we're on step 3 now, right?
Yeah. Step 3 would be go back to booking catering or whatever the web page is. Did I say that catering web page?
Catering webpage out here.
Yeah, and then scroll down, and then here we want to get go down.
Mm-hmm.
We want to get the location.
Yeah.
The
This whole
date.
thing.
Yeah, location and date and time, and a day.
Okay, and time. Okay. Cool.
Start and end.
Here. This one too.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now I'll take these. Plop them in here. Missing one. Get that one. Hey. Wait, this one. This one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna like this.
Yeah, and like time, date. Go back to the webpage. Let's see if we're missing anything. And then the last thing we really want to convert on now is like their personal information. So we want to get their phone number, first name, last name.
That makes sense. Put that at the end because you already got their email.
Yeah.
And then what's this last thing?
Don't worry
Enable.
about that.
Don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need it.
That's good. Yeah, I don't know what it means anyways. So we're gonna do a step 4.
And it's gonna be a payment too. Payment section.
And payment. But that's gonna, okay, so tell me how that payment's gonna work.
You put a location in there. You know that?
Oops.
How's the payment is gonna work? We're gonna charge them a flat $200 booking fee. It doesn't matter. They paid. Never mind.
So we're gonna
I'm
have,
not gonna say nothing.
we're gonna have a screen here. This is fun. So we're gonna have, we're gonna have another screen?
No, I think
We're just gonna go straight to Stripe.
Yeah, because this is all this and the payment information, essentially.
So 99. Yeah. So do we want to say like, tell them a little instruction here maybe?
Yeah, for sure. Ooh, we can give it a lot more.
Otherwise, it's just like $200.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to tell you what the extra information is gonna be?
Or
I can tell you right now.
Yeah. What should I write?
Booking. This is just a booking fee, right? You know, and the final invoice for the food truck or for the vendor is still to be determined.
Okay. I like it.
And I can chat GPT in something more official.
Perfect. Oh. That's not.
Try using Enter.
We're gonna learn how to use. I'm gonna learn how to use Figma for the next one.
I know this is actually fast. I don't know. Figma has so much
This is
more
fast.
controls.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So we're totally gonna finish this in half an hour.
I want to see it more than I want just to hear it because this is something I always wanted to do.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
So.
You think the process is cool?
Oh yeah. I mean, I would totally pay $200. After getting. I mean, as long as it's a. Yeah. Let's try it.
Yeah,
Let's try it.
It's just a booking fee to get somebody to get you a food truck. You know, you don't have to worry about all that.
So, only thing I'm wondering is like,
Yeah.
this is gonna take. You have this look and feel for your website, right?
Oh, okay.
So this is gonna take you to another page or another looking site. It's
Yeah.
gonna look different.
How
How do you want it to look?
Design. Honestly, I want to see your product build this React form.
You just want
I have
any
a team
form.
of designers. I have a team of developers. I can make it have the Decia feel.
Okay, perfect. So, I'm gonna take the first page here.
Yeah, we want an image view too.
You want an image view of what?
I don't know what it's gonna look like, to be honest, man.
What kind of image? Like of the truck?
Can you put a placeholder photo? Just any photo.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna like just first make a form where to submit an email address, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna start with that and we're gonna see what that looks like. Then we're gonna make it look really good. Okay. So, okay. So, yeah, we don't want it to say subscribe. But, actually, I would say this is not what we want.
Is
I would
it
just
not?
say add a form. That was just too much right there. That was too much.
It was?
Well, because it had like the button inside of the text field, which I didn't like.
I thought I liked it.
Oh, you like that?
No, works too, man. Both works. This works. This is like Google. But
Okay,
hey,
this
it
is like,
works.
this catches you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Make the word search into next.
Sorry, I'll ask you next time before I destroy anything.
Both look fine.
Okay. Change search to next. And also to, we also want to make this email.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, you can't even. You're not even gonna change the text. You're just gonna just.
no, I was gonna say like, you want this to validate that it's an email address, right?
Yeah.
So like, make the import email.
So how do you make multi-pages on this?
Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be fun. But it's just something that's a little bit experimental, but it's
But
I know how
what
to
we
do it.
could do, right?
I can
we
do it.
we can make a reactive form that hides and shows.
Exactly.
And we make it one page.
Exactly.
And that's actually better than having multiple stages.
Yeah.
It is.
We call that an SPA.
Single page application?
Yeah.
Okay. What the fuck's SBA?
SPA.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, you have all these different pages, but
Yeah.
actually it's just one page. But it feels like different pages.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cool. And then the welcome. So that, but do you actually like, are you actually okay with the aesthetic
Yes.
for now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Damn, we're going really fast.
I think we might run into some hiccups, so that's why I want to get to the hard part. Making an email text field with a button, I want to push this software to its max.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna think about how we can add another page. Actually, I would just say add a second page to the form shown when the email is submitted. I'm literally just gonna say that.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens. It's React. Okay.
Okay.
So
Then
do this. Alright.
page, we need to give it all the forms that we have in that photo.
And also I'm gonna refactor component per page. Yeah. So now we have an info page, which is the second one, and we have an email page. And so now we have this code down here. Can't see. We have this code down here, which just does the toggling of the page. It's pretty straightforward. So what do we want to add?
We're going to do like a radio button selection for pick an event
Yeah.
with these options, and then maybe put them in closer. I don't know.
Yeah, for the second page.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm actually gonna take this info page. And I'm actually gonna move that to like a new file. And this is like really still testing this feature, but it works, see? And then in this file I'm gonna say remove the name fields, add a radio selection. Add a radio selection for event type. Okay. Now will this work? I don't know, Kareem. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Alright, now can you tell us to adjust its options?
We also want those to look better, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. We'll just go through the whole thing again and make sure. Awesome, this.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna make it look way better.
Don't say so. Why you gonna say that? Don't tell a computer that. Computer's subjective.
Okay.
Can you make it go to the third page too? already? Like, because you already made it go to the first page. Can you make another page?
We can make another page, sure.
Yeah, make it go to another page after submitting this one.
Sure.
This technology.
I'm just gonna say add a third page.
So you have like this Copilot for Visual Studio Code, right?
This is running in an IDE in your web browser.
No. I'm not.
You mean?
I'm just saying in general. I'm not talking about your
GitHub
product.
Copilot.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
And then there's another.
We kind of lost one of the pages, but this is cool. So we're gonna fix that. The way to do it right now is first get all the pages and then refactor.
Okay.
So I refactored it first. That's a bit of a tricky thing, but so we have 3 pages and we want to have. Let's see how many we're gonna have. 4.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Oops. Yeah, so I use GitHub Copilot. It's really good. I love GitHub Copilot. So make a new file. Text Python file. Great. New file.
If it's so powerful, make it do Quicks work. No. Quicks work. It won't do that.
Def Quicks. Yeah, this is classic VS Code. It's like
loading up like 50 extensions right now, sir. What the heck, man? It's like booting up the computer.
I hate this.
Downloading libraries and stuff, man.
I did not ask for this.
Look, login, authentication. Dang, bro.
Yeah, and it's doing something. We're gonna have to demo this like
another time. Let's look. Hey, we worry about the real ChatGPT killer.
Yeah.
Getway. Let's see that. Let's see Getway.
We don't need.
Look at this. See, look. While we were messing around, look. Getway did all that. No Copilot needed.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Okay, and I'll just go through one more time just so we see that it's working. We're gonna change this to event type.
Yeah.
And this is something like that, and then you have the final page, and then this one is going to. But should this be a 5th page though, or should
this be a 5th page? Just because of that.
Do you want that actually, or
why not? I mean,
we can remove it later, I suppose. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna say add 1 more. This is pretty fun actually, just seeing what pages it makes. But once we refactor, I'm gonna delete that one. But once we refactor, then it'll go faster because we're only editing 1 file at a time rather than the whole thing. Okay. So. Okay, that's fun. Okay, that one we're gonna change to something else.
Okay, I mean, pretty much has the structure we're looking for, right?
Yeah, cool. So
let's go to the 2nd page then.
Let me refactor this a bit. Oh, actually, also I want to rename these to something like, because right now it's email page, info page, address page, payment page. What's it called? Info page. Yeah, it is the address page, and then the last page is more like the name. Let's say rename info page to event type page and can you do that?
No.
Okay. Let's see if that actually works. I just renamed those pages so that when we move it into different files, it'll make sense. Yeah, like that. So go through. Okay, your event type.
Doesn't matter. I honestly, what I really want to see is you exporting this project so I can run it, host it on my page.
Sure, I can export it
A little bit more before you export it.
We can export it. I'll show you. Just export it.
No, it's just I hosted it on the internet.
How you host on the internet?
Yeah. 2
steps. Upload it to GitHub. 1, 2. You can host it for free on any service like Netlify. So, of course, I want to do the Firebase integration too. Okay, so I'm just gonna put. We are in a little bit of a backlog of development right now, but really cool story actually. Our team is growing. So I have this great guy. His name is Aman, and he's been